Lots of intensity here tonight. We have Bacchanal closing night.
Who took charge at Stadium Car Park last week?
Bling Dog Talks motion.
And accusations fly in Parliament. It all goes down right here, right now, on Intense.
So 2 weeks ago, Alkaline, Movado, Shaggy and others took charge at Stadium Car Park. And it was a concert to be remembered. Scott was there. And me too.
Rule number 1, you have to be an Alkaline fan. Rule number 2, you have to get here early. You see the traffic blocking. Rule number 3, we're going to see just how intense it's going to be.
Boy, better say me cool and do it. Better say the real man do it. Better say me laugh and do it. Anything me do, you know them can't undo it.
So first man, you deliver up on stage a while ago in the little early warm segment.
Alkaline represent Yanni, Curvy Diva.
I wouldn't consider it a reggae event, I'd consider it a dancehall event, but you brought your flavor to it and it worked.
Oh, people them love the music.
You look like them did why you stay for the whole night.
Yeah man, you know what I mean?
We never know say you're still there, man. We think you're gonna foreign.
No man, I live in Jamaica, so I'm not going away.
Signal, how we do it? Never wonder how we do it. What is the side? What is that? Me never go up on stage and tell you say me say me not perform for you. Me not know you, bro. Yeah, hear me. Cut when the one of them have to save them on the moon. Make them do what's up, we all have to see. I think I try to buy them, me not go pretty. But can't tell us something. Yo, watch out, they can never bad. If me never bad, me too full of bad. They can never bad. I know 2017 and touch, I know. I really touch, not playing, no. When we scream, in the boy, in that is, what blood like banana, what mother girl.
I love it, you know.
It was awesome. Alkaline, big up yourself.
We just a run down in vehicle.
Did you jump on the bonnet front?
Yeah.
It sell off completely. The way the people them hungry feet, we enjoy it. I'm my belly full, my mind full, my body full, all parts of my full. I'm glad for see him.
New Rules was a good look.
Yeah man, a good look man. Me nah lie, from I go see a show till now, at first me see a girl that jump on a car, take a selfie with the car, with the artist in her. And that's a different level.
Alkaline was trying to get in his vehicle.
Couldn't get in.
He couldn't get in. As a matter of fact, it was a stampede.
The moment their artists left, they're leaving too. And so are we. Alkaline, New Rules. Guess what happened? Alkaline came, he conquered, he delivered. We had to show it to you because guess what? It's intense.